Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today I'm going to show you quick yoga for neck. Sit down nice and comfortable. And inhale, exhale, look to your right. And exhale, look down, tuck your chin. And drop opposite shoulders down, the tip of your fingers reaching to ground. Take 5 deep breaths. Breathe in for 1. Breathe in for 2. Make sure to dig the tip of your finger to the mat, to the ground. 3, 4, breathing through the nose. And 5, out through the nose. Now, drop your head forward and chin reach to the opposite shoulder. And come back to the original shoulder. And look to your right. And look to straight center. Okay, now let's do the opposite side. Inhale, exhale, look to your left. Exhale to the shoulder. Drop opposite shoulder and reach tip of your finger to the ground. Take 5 deep breaths in 1. Breathe in for 2. Soften your shoulders, soften your chest. 3. Cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama. 4. And 5. Now drop all the way down to the opposite shoulder and back to the original. Look to your left. Exhale, back to center and release. If you want to know more, check out my full-length videos.